Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, a warm welcome. So today I'm going to be unboxing Temu journaling haul part 3. So part 3 we have some repurchased stickers, background papers, and one pouch. At the end of my video, I'll be doing one journal using few new materials that I have purchased from Temu. This video is not sponsored, so let's not waste any time guys, and let's get started. So let's start off with the pouch first. I'm gonna put all the new sticker here and then I'll rearrange later. It's quite big, so it's nice to put like stickers and stuff like that, which is really cool. And the color is pink. This one I have repurchased. Sorry guys. I will show you guys why I repurchased, because I think it's really pretty sticker. Wait, something missing. Here. So it comes in pairs. I have used some of them already, the old one, so it runs out very quickly. I mean, for this stock, that's why I repurchased. That is so lovely guys. So comes in pairs. So beautiful. See up close. Oops. Oops. There you go. Wait, there you go. So pretty. This one is random, so I don't know which one I will get, but I'm so happy I got this one. They will pick for me randomly guys, and I really like this one. So pretty.
Soft glow of the evening haze, a tale of love begins to blaze. The stars above start to align. Oh, this love story so divine. She walked into my world one day.
Wow, very pretty.
On a sunny May. Her eyes were like the ocean deep, pulling me in, I could not keep my heart from racing, beating fast. As she passed by, my love would last. In the park where the flowers grew, our paths crossed in my world anew. This is our love story, written in the stars above. A journey full of mystery.
As you guys can see, there's a lot of butterfly stickers because I really love butterfly stickers. So if you guys follow me for quite some times, you will know that I love to purchase butterfly stickers. So beautiful, guys.
We shared our dreams under the moon.
Put them out like this. It comes in pairs.
Our bond grew stronger like a vine, entwining our souls so hard to define. The seasons changed, but our love stayed. Through the rain and the sunny parade, we faced the world hand in hand. Our love a shield, a warm soft land. There were times when clouds would come, troubles tried to break our home, but we held on with all our might. Our love shining through the darkest night. We learned to forgive, to understand. Our love became a master plan.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
This is our love story.
I didn't know it was big sticker. Very pretty, guys.
Journey full of mystery. Our hearts in a tender glove. We'll dance through the nights and days in this love that never fades. This is our love story, a timeless ode that never. As the years go by, our love will grow like an old tree with roots below. In the end, when all is said and done, our love story will live on. And the memories will always keep our love affair that will never sleep. In this soft embrace,
Oh, this is so lovely, guys.
a hint of something sweet is in the air.
So pretty.
Romance is everywhere. Down the cobblestone streets we stroll hand in hand. The lamplights flicker like stars in a distant land. The scent of roses fills the silent night. A gentle breeze whispers, making everything feel right. In the old cafe by
This one is repurchased. Guys, look, it's all bent. That sucks. That's not cool. It's okay. So pretty. So pretty, guys. Look. Oops.
As the night fades into a brand new day, our love will always find its way.
Nice for Easter, guys. More butterfly stickers. So they come in two. It's not pre-cut, guys, but it's so lovely. Yeah, it's not pre-cut. More butterfly stickers. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It comes in two and it's all pre-cut. That is so lovely, guys. I don't want to use it. It's so pretty.
That paint the night sky fair, love is stroll hand in hand without a care. The scent of flowers fills the gentle breeze, romance weaves through the trees. In the coffee shops with the warm light near, people connect, the laughter shared like a sweet refrain. Romance in every vein, romance is everywhere, in the glances that people share. It's in the music that softly plays, and the love that never fades away. Romance is everywhere, in the letters written with care. It's in the sunsets that we view, and the dreams that come true. On the beaches where the waves embrace, couples build castles in a warm, soft space. The sand between their toes, a gentle touch.
It's all pre-cut.
Romance in search. In the old bookstores with pages worn, a hidden love story is newly born. The turning pages like a heart's refrain. Romance, every strain. In the quiet corners of the town, where secrets are whispered, not laid down. The magic of love, it never ends. Romance that always ascends. Romance is everywhere, in the glances that people share. It's in the music that softly plays, and the love that never fades away. Romance is everywhere, in the letters written with care. It's in the sunsets that we view, and the dreams that come true. As the day fades into the night, the feeling of romance shines so bright. It lingers on in the air we breathe, is everywhere. A gentle breeze in the air. It starts to paint the town in colors soft and profound. Down the cobblestone streets we roam, where lovers whisper softly home. The lamplights cast a golden glow on every moment we let it flow. Flowers in the window boxes sway, as if they're dancing to our play. Each step we take is like a song, in this world where love belongs. Romance is everywhere.
I'm going to remove the pages. I'll be right back, guys. So these are all pre-cut.
By the riverside, we sit and stare at the water that seems to care. It mirrors our love so clear as we hold hands without a fear. The boats drift by like dreams afloat, our story written in the moat. The sunset paints the sky in red, a love of fire that's not yet dead.
I will do the same with this book.
To fully say how this romance lights up our day. It's a feeling that will always stay in every memory along the way. Romance is everywhere, in the stars, up in the air. It fills the night with tender light and makes our hearts take flight. Romance is
so the rest is background papers, this 3.
as we walk into romance is everywhere, a forever kind of affair.
So there's no repetition.
Start to spill thoughts of your romance. They fill me up inside. In the alley where the moonlight plays, your smile was like a gentle haze. With the touch of your hand, a soft
Very nice paper, guys.
romance you gave. It's all I trace. The words you whispered by the old oak tree were like a song that set me free. Along the sandy shore, the tide would ebb and then restore our footprints left in the golden floor. The romance you gave, it's what I'm for.
So cute.
The sunsets we watched, so warm and bright, painted colors of an endless night. Your eyes held a secret light.
Very nice big paper, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys like this. It's already 1 a.m. here in Dubai, so yeah. Is it repetition? No, I don't think so. So pretty, guys. They look so lovely. So let's see what it says here. 36 sheet.
In the soft glow of the evening haze, a tale of love begins to blaze. The stars above start to align for this love story so divine. She walked into my world one day like a gentle breeze on a sunny May. Her eyes were like the ocean deep, pulling me in, I could not keep my heart from racing, beating fast. As she passed by, my love would last. In the park where the flowers grew, our paths crossed in my world anew. This is our love story, written in the stars above. A journey full of mystery, our hearts in a tender glove. We'll dance through the nights and days in this love that never fades. This is our love story, a time soul that never sways. We shared our dreams under the moon, whispered secrets very soon. Our bond grew stronger like a vine, entwining our souls so hard to define. The seasons changed, but our love stayed. Through the rain and the sunny parade, we faced the world hand in hand. Our love is shielded, warmth our plan. There were times when clouds would come, troubles tried to break our home, but we held on with all our might. Our love shining through the darkest night. We learned to forgive, to understand. Our love became a master plan. This is our love story, written in the stars above. A journey full of mystery, our hearts in a tender glove. We'll dance through the nights and days in this love that never fades. This is our love story, a timeless story that never. As the years go by, our love will grow like an old tree with the roots below. In the end, when all is said and done, our love story will live on.
Hold on, guys. I will fix that part.
Memories will always keep our love a tale that will never sleep.
Oops. It's very sharp. There we go. This is pretty. Hold on, guys. Interesting. And also cover hair. That'll look nice. Yeah. Well, with these type of sticker, you cannot peel it. You have to use a tweezer to. It's very hard to remove this one. I have this sticker before, but different pattern and colors. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, it's really hard to remove it. It's very sticky. So how we would do this? Yeah, something like this. Yeah. There we go. Oops. Come on. And then I need pink. Then green. Oops. I would just randomly pick one. Okay, very nice meaning.
In the soft embrace of the evening air, a hint of something sweet is in the air. Ooh, romance is everywhere. Down the cobblestone streets we stroll hand in hand. The lamplights flicker like stars in a distant land. The scent of roses fills the silent night. A gentle breeze whispers, making everything feel right. In the old cafe by the riverside, we sit and watch the water glide. Our eyes meet, a spark ignites inside. Romance is like a secret we confide.